Oh yeah, welcome to the channel. Kid Showtime here, the hype beast bartender, and it's time to make the Chuckys Punch. Alright, so first you want to use that Buzzballz Strawberry Rita. Followed by a Kinky Fruit Punch. Followed by a Raspberry Vodka. Followed by regular vodka. I want to fill it with that Fanta Chuckys Punch.
Yeet.
Give this a mix.
Oh, this bugger.
Ooh, oh yeah, y'all. This is Ono, y'all. This is really good, especially with all those flavors. You know, I love fruit punch, being from Hawaii, and also anything mixed together. It's just so easy to drink the whole thing, y'all. Next thing you know, boom, you'll be faded. To the next, bro, B, boozing time, baby. Aw, yeah.